very quickly, Leah, before we get to what you say in this case, one of the things you tell me is, well, you've categorically put it, that he is somebody you'd rather not spend time with. He said, very, very understating it. Correct? Mm-hmm. Well, would you believe that to be the case, Dal?
No, absolute nonsense.
In fact, it's fair to say that you've provided him with some evidence demonstrating Leah's general enthusiasm towards the trip. Let's have a look.
Oh, God, that's Dal, dressed up as Santa.
Is that you?
That's me, yeah.
Got to be centre of attention again.
No, I was asked to do a favour to make the kids
Who's that
happy.
on your lap, Santa?
It's me.
That's the lady who don't like me.
And there are you, madam, with a man that you absolutely can't stand, on his lap, seeming to be joining in.
Yeah. So I did a lot of things on the holiday that I didn't want to do.
Are you telling me that it was a terrible time? That trip?
It was.
Really?
Really, honest.
Why?
Because I can't stand him. I can't bear him. I can't
She
bear
sat on my lap and
anything
started
about
kissing
him.
my face. What's that about?
It's having a laugh. You just do things, don't you?
No, you don't.
Just-
Not if you don't like someone, you don't do that.
You don't do that.
I wouldn't have gone on holiday with
Well, you
you
didn't
either,
have to. We didn't-
but I did,
we didn't
so
force
there
you.
you go.
Every day around the pool together, they had games going on, we all joined in games. We went out of an evening, they had an evening entertainment. Christmas Eve, we had party hats on, all of us. We got up dancing, we entered in on competitions and games in the evening. We had an amazing time. And when we got back on the coach to come home, we was all more or less in tears, all of us, because we'd had such a nice holiday. I'm hurt because Frankie, we took him under our wing. He was part of the family. Leah and I got on so well. As I say, we included her in a lot of things in our lives. As I say, when it was birthdays and stuff, we'd invite Leah as well to come to. We're out with our family, our, you know, mother and father-in-laws, sister-in-laws, and include them on everything, everything. And I try to give, you know, so much investment time, money, and this is what I've got
Do you
today.
feel you've been let down?
Very much. It just makes me really sad and yeah, really cross, because it wasn't like that. It wasn't at all like that, and I don't like her slandering Darren, because again, you know, he's good. He's a good man. He's really supported Frankie, and yeah, it's out of order.
You returned on Boxing Day.
Yeah.
Again, you got picked up at the airport. I presume something sensible took you home on this occasion. Is that right?
The same party bus, yeah.
You landed back and the rave continued.
Yeah. Start as you mean to go on, Judge.
Let's fast forward. Eventually, Frankie, you and Debbie broke up.
Yes.
Now, from 2017 onwards, Dal, you have been chasing Leah for the money, correct?
Yes, that's right.
And I presume you've been doing that in a reasonable, fair
That's right.
and quiet way.
Yeah.
Would you agree with me, Leah?
Nope.
Hi, Leah. I hope you're all good. Sorry to have to ask, but any news on when you can get the holiday money? It's just we really need it back. And I know you said it would be the next couple of weeks. Moments ago, I asked you about whether you felt you owed money for this holiday. Your response was, Judge Rinder, it was a gift. It was an act of generosity. And consequently, when you received a text on the 11th of July of 2017, 7 months after not paying for the holiday, you presumably wanted to respond to that text, what do you mean? 'Twas a gift. Look at your reply. Next couple of weeks, hun. Michelle, can you help? What is after the hun?
2 kisses.
2 kisses? Next couple of weeks, hun. Sorry it's taken so long. This is a man you can't stand, who you find completely unbearable and foul, who, according to your claim, has given you a profoundly generous gift, who, out of nowhere, 7 months later says, I want the money back, and you say, 1, give it back to you in a couple of weeks, kiss, kiss, and 2, apologise. Talking. Why would you apologise if you don't owe the money, madam?
Because I did want to give them the money back. It wasn't that I didn't want to give them the money back. I do appreciate that they paid for it, and everything. But when it come down to it, and I didn't have it, I did say I didn't have it. And if I did have the money, I would give it to them. I'd give it to them now.
In other words, thank you. You believe that morally you might wish to give the money back, but as a matter of contractual law, this was an unenforceable agreement. And they knew that at the time you accepted the gift. That doesn't in any way represent an acknowledgement of a debt. It's just to say that in due course I will pay you out of the kindness of my heart. That, sir, I have to tell you, might be a very valid legal submission. Whether it is or it isn't, I have to tell you, your claim is for £1,060. Now, I thought that was going to be the end of the matter. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.